Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to section your hair for braids, specifically bricklayer method, as I make braids on this my client's fussy hair. So let's get into it. So the first thing I did was to apply leave-in conditioner. She already applied her hair cream and every other thing. So leave-in conditioner, then I combed and then I started to section. So the first thing I did was to section from ear to ear, and then I sectioned that part into three. So this is the first part you're seeing here, and then I'm braiding the middle part so it doesn't get in the way. So you want to section that and then start to tie it. I'm tying the roots with a rubber band so it stays more firmly. So you can see the section. I sectioned that into two. So I told you from ear to ear, sectioning it into three, and there it is. So I'm covering my client's face because she does not want to be seen on the net, and I respect that. So that is why you see the sticker there. So after you section from ear to ear, you want to section from the arc, the end of the arc of your brow to the end of the other side of your brow. So it looks like this. So this full section again is going to be sectioned into two parts. That is what I'm doing right now. So the back part ear to ear, I sectioned it into three, and then the arc of the brow section from front to the other arc into two, and then I start to do the rubber band. So if you watch closely, you could see that I'm doing a bricklayer method. You would see that properly soon. So I'm just using the rubber band to tie it up, and then I pull so it stays really firm. So you can see the sections here. So I'm literally splitting it on top of another in such a way that the sectioning falls on top of the previous section. It doesn't follow the same straight line. Do you understand? Yes. It doesn't follow the same straight line. So as you section one part, the one on top would fall in between that particular braid. Yes, that box. So the way you have layer bricks to build a house, that's exactly how you want to do it. So you section and then it falls in between, just like that. And you want to, I'm using a rubber band to make sure the ends as the root of the hair is secure, because my customer has a really thick fine hair. And yeah, that reminds me, do you know that the thickness of your hair and density of your hair cannot be changed? You can't, there's nothing you can actually do to increase the thickness of your hair or the volume of your hair. There's basically nothing you can do about it. So applying this cream, that treatment, it doesn't do anything. The only reason why the volume of your hair will increase is if you formerly had a full volume or a thick hair, and maybe you lost it due to a certain kind of hairstyle or maybe sickness. So that's the only reason why hair products could work for increasing the volume of your hair. But if you do not have a full hair based on your genetics, there is nothing you can do about that. So let's quit using that product and buying that product just because of we want to increase the volume of our hair. It's based on genetics. The only thing you can increase is the length of your hair, which is you can get right products to retain the length of your hair based on your hair porosity and your hair density. Yes. So yes, let's get back into the hair tutorial. So you can see that I'm done sectioning my customer's hair, but because her hair is so thick, you can barely see the line. So here I've done braiding each rows. You can see how beautiful, how lovely it looks. What I do is I apply leave-in conditioner again, and then I start to comb from the root tip of the hair down to the root of the hair. Yes, and then I start to braid. Basically, if I braid each of the hair on this tutorial, it will sleep here. So I had to cut that out and just show you the way I braid it. So we are focusing more on the sectioning. So that is why I did not show so much of me braiding the hair. But yes, this is how I braid the hair, just like so. So now we're at the top part of the hair. So what I did here was, after I sectioned ear to ear and then eyebrow to the other arc of the eyebrow, I said I splitted that into two, and the top part of the hair I splitted into four from the middle of her head. So that is how I did the whole section. And yes, we are done with the beautiful hairstyle. So now I believe you know how to section your hair for a bricklayer method. So yes, if you enjoyed my tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Bye.